Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a graph paper using Microsoft Excel. In my presentation, I'm going to use Microsoft Excel 2010 and in some cases 2016. I hope you follow. To begin with, you'll need to open the Excel sheet and just go to Microsoft Excel from the Microsoft Office, and it is supposed to display as it is here. The one currently on my screen is Microsoft Office Excel 2016. 2010 will not be any different or very different from this. Features are more or less the same. Having opened there, we need now to change the ruler settings of Microsoft Excel so that the settings have centimeters instead of inches or otherwise. So we follow these 4 easy steps. The first step, go to File, which is on the left top corner of the Excel window, and having clicked File, you will see these various options that are given there: Save, Save As, Open, Close, and on and on. But I want you to go down up to Options. Click Options so that we display a certain place where we can change the units from default units to centimeters. So click Options, and the window that shows there is Excel Options, and it has the following things: General, Formulas, Proofing, and on and on. But I want you to go down up to Advanced, and having clicked Advanced, please go down, scroll down to where we find Display Settings. Go down up to where you find Display Settings. In the display, you are supposed to change the ruler units as shown by the laser there. There's a ruler settings. Normally there are default settings, but I want us to change to centimeters. And having clicked that, you'll change to centimeters, and now you can return. You can click OK, return to Excel window. And now in the next few steps, we are going to change the display settings of the Excel window. Now at the bottom of the Excel shown here, there are 3 options. There's a first one, which is normal view. There's the next one, which is page layout. The next one, which is page break preview. I want to select the middle option, which will change the display settings of the Excel window. Now this triangle here, when you have already selected that, please place the cursor on the we can start with the left, sorry. Place a cursor on the left where we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and on and on. And having placed there, right click. There are other options that will show up there. I want us to go to the row height. If you click the row height, there's a window that will display there, and this is the one here. Having showed, it will show you it is 0.53 centimeters, but you want to have 1 centimeter. So just over type there, type over the 0.53, just type 1 so that it's 1 centimeter, and click OK. That will change the row height to 1 centimeter. And you can do the same with the column width. You can do the same with the column width by placing the cursor on A, B, C, D. Right click the window that shows over there. Go down to row the width of the column, and type over the number that shows up there so that it is 1 centimeter. Click OK, and then having clicked, it should display as it is here. So look, the dimensions for every of this square is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, the width and the height, and it's more or less the graph paper. We have a problem though. The cells will not display if you print. So we need to be able to print these cells, and they should display when you do that. So to change that, we will need to change the border settings. So we need to change the border settings, and with the following steps. Now there's the number of cells that will show in our graph paper. First of all, need to be selected. So select the cells by clicking by clicking and dragging in the direction as shown in the example in this screenshot. For example, you had earlier clicked over here to select the cells. Now I want you to click about 1A or A1, depending on how you name them, and then when you have clicked, press down and drag as indicated by this arrow, so that you select as many cells as you want to display on your graph paper. And having done that, go to borders, which is at the home tab, and that's shown in the next slide. At the home tab, when you have clicked home tab, there is the borders, which is this place here. Just click this small arrow that is facing down and go down. There's a bottom border, top border, and on, but we want all borders so that all the lines of the cells display. Click that one and ensure you select the borders. Ensure you select the border. Having done that, the window will display as it is here. If you print this, it's already a graph paper. You can use it when it's hard copy, but for a soft copy, maybe we need to have the labels. We have the X and Y axis, and that's what we're going to do in the next slide. So to add the axis, we need to use just the normal tools for drawing in Microsoft Office packages, whether in Windows, whether in Office, Excel, PowerPoint, and the others. So go to the home tab. Next home tab, there is insert. The one I am using here is Microsoft Office 2010. 2016 is slightly different. This shapes form which we are going to use is very small and probably not as visible as it is in 2010. So watch out. Ensure that you can identify this these three shapes that are put together there. So click insert. Another thing, go to shapes, the one I was telling you about. And in the shapes, we'll use that to draw just straight lines or arrows to show X and Y axis, and ensure we have gone from insert to shapes, and that's clearly shown there. Now you can use it to draw axis. I'm not going to show you exactly how to draw the lines, but it's very easy. You just select a line like this one here, just draw a straight line, and you can draw another one that's across like this to form our axis. I think that will be very easy for almost anyone who has used Microsoft Office packages. So there they are. We have the axis. This is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. The next thing we need to do is to label them. We can just have 0, 1, 2, 3, and on and on. That one will just be done as obvious as you have. You just type the letters, so the numbers 0, 1, 2 the way you want. And if you do that, there you'll have the graph paper. It can be used to teach lots of things. Particularly in mind, I have transformations like rotation, enlargement, things like those, and they'll be easy to present using Microsoft Excel. Remember, this can be used to draw diagrams like a triangle to show how it is enlarged or transformed, and on and on. Now remember to check out my tutorial on transformations. I'll particularly be showing you how to do reflection, rotation, enlargement, translation. That one is in vectors. Now please remember to subscribe and like my video.